so pretty. Yes.
Yes.
Good girl. Get yourself a little helper. Look at the dandelions. So cute.
I've never seen dandelions before.
But they don't kill them
cabin
here.
over there.
Yeah.
is free and it's dog friendly. And now we are headed to the Imogene Pass. Is that right?
Imogene Pass, yeah. That's awesome. They have Imogene Pass right from Telluride, like right from the middle of it. Just go a little bit north. And then they have a Black Bear Pass at the end of Telluride. And Black Bear Pass and Imogene Pass, those are like the two most famous off-road trails.
Yeah.
And they're both from this town.
There's the falls, Bridal Veil Falls right there. A hike that we've been on this morning.
Tomboy Road. That's where the Imogene Pass kind of starts.
Are we on the right road?
Yeah, we are.
This is the road? Is it?
Yeah.
Look at these cute little girls. It's a little narrow here, just saying. There's the beautiful Telluride.
What's that? Yeah, it's up there. Yeah. Is it fast? That's a pretty big vehicle. I wouldn't want to walk there. I go over. So this trip is really my first off-roading experience with this setup. This truck is still kind of new to me. A couple years ago we did road trip in our Subaru Forester, where we tackled some easier off-road trails here in Colorado and Utah and Nevada.
Hey, anybody else back there?
Sorry?
Anybody else back there?
No, I didn't see anybody.
Okay.
Is it passable?
Oh, yeah, sure.
It is, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, for a big truck? Yeah, there's another couple of trucks up there already.
Oh, okay.
Like, there's a really big truck up there. I don't know how they got up there. But some regular ones like this are fine. Yeah. You're welcome. Have a good time.
In my previous video, I'm talking about this vehicle and the camper. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. I love mountain biking and gravel riding. Unfortunately, I didn't get to ride this trip. Hope the next time.
Thank you.
Let me tell you, meeting with other cars on these narrow shelf roads is an experience like no other. Thankfully, there was a good spot just behind me where they could safely pass.
Thank you.
I need wine. I'm getting drunk. I'm drinking all the beer then.
Man, this was easily the scariest section for us. One little mistake and the sheer drop-offs would have you tumbling down for quite a while.
We'll throw up people.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go up. No, don't look down. Oh my god, go to the left. Woo. Why is it so narrow?
Still hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Where are you guys from? Me too. Don't see too many Chicagoans up here. You drive that all the way from there?
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
I think I got like 2 more feet. Is there one more car? Nobody behind you?
Nah, there were 2, but they pulled off, so I'm not sure if they're still coming.
As you can see, I was being pretty cautious there. I wanted to keep meeting other cars on the shelf roads to a minimum. This truck is really well capable of doing this trail, but like I said, it gets scary in these narrow roads when you meet somebody, especially with our camper that kind of sticks out. At one point we were like 1 inch away from another Ram 2500 truck. That was like intense, but so far no problems. My wife has a mild heart attack. That's about all the problems we had so far. So freaking beautiful up here. So much history in these mining towns. Well, I don't think there were towns here, but a lot of mining activity here.
that's good. Trošku ke mně, ke mně, ke mně, ke mně. Tak. A pomalu dolů, směrem trošku doprava. Pomalu, pomalu. Okay. Slow, take it slow. Hi. Jo.
On this Uray side, where the tree line starts, we started to see some dispersed campsites. We continued on, however, to see if we can find some in lower elevation. The temperatures up here can still get close to freezing, even in summer. Here we now getting into one of the roughest sections, in my opinion, on Imogene Pass. Beautiful section, but at the same time kind of scary because you got narrow shelf road with lots of obstacles, a lot of big rocks. Big props to my wife for guiding me. She almost had few mild heart attacks from this trip. I mean, we were riding with the children, with the dog, with the full gear, full camping gear for 2 weeks. So our truck pretty heavy. I think being a spotter gave my wife kind of a job that took some worries out of her mind because she was concentrating, you know, guiding me. So she didn't have to worry about us rolling over if she would be in the passenger seat. And
Keep going. Keep going. Push the sun. Come. Okay. Keep going. Okay. Push the sun. Okay. Camping spot for tonight along falling along the road, chilling in the bunk. It's actually pretty cozy in here. I like it here. Okay, go slow. Okay. Trošku tam. Tam, toč to. Okay. Good. Straight. Okay, go. Go slow and steady. Okay. Trošku tam, slow. Nechápu, proč mi tam je zbyt jako. Já oni si vybírají ty těžkou cestu správně. Wow. Jsou blázny jako. Oni zase ale mají ty správný auta. Fajn. Are you enjoying this? Huh? Probably not, huh? Look tady. Straight. Okay. Slow. Straight. Okay. Yep, you're good. Okay. Touch. Okay. Straight. Slow. Oh my god. What's that? Car.
Oh my god.
Was that any of the jeeps that passed by just now?
I don't know.
Okay, straight. Trošku ke mně. Okay. Should be good. Okay, good.
This was a breathtaking place. Too bad there were signs, private property, like everywhere. We so wanted to explore this area. So the Imogene Pass went for another half a mile or so to some kind of cabin and another mining activities. But we went straight to Uray on this Camp Bird Road, as we were all excited to jump into the hot spring pools. This was an epic adventure for us. Please leave a comment about your Imogene Pass experience. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe. And consider checking our travel channel, Discover All Corners. Until next time, drive safe.